Welcome to AI with Absaar. Buckle up because today we're diving into a topic that's going to blow your mind. Microsoft just dropped Copilot Wave 2, and trust me, it's not getting the hype it deserves. This isn't just another boring software update. This is about to completely change how you, I, and everyone else interacts with AI on a daily basis. And honestly, the craziest part? Almost no one is talking about it yet. You don't even have to be a tech geek to get the benefits, whether it's for your job or your side projects. This is going to radically boost your productivity. So let's break this down, and you're going to want to stay till the end because what I'm about to show you will literally save you hours of work every single week. All right, first up, Excel just went nuclear with Python integration. Let that sink in for a second. Python in Excel. Now, I know some of you are thinking, I don't code, so why should I care? But that's where you're wrong. Imagine having years of messy data, sales numbers, customer feedback, pricing info. You could spend days trying to make sense of it, right? But with Copilot, you just say the word and it runs advanced analysis, giving you forecasts, trends, and even visual reports without a single formula. It's like having a team of data analysts at your fingertips. Here's where it gets interesting. You've got 3 years of sales data in front of you. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, no more. You ask Copilot to figure out which product categories are making the most money, and boom, it does the work, showing you monthly revenue by product, across tabs, across different sets of data, all while you sit back and watch. Oh, and you want to know which products are underperforming? Copilot can create a bar chart for that, highlighting the ones not hitting your sales goals. It even scans customer feedback to pinpoint issues, like customers complaining about charging speed, and within seconds, you've got a full analysis. Now, I want to ask you something. How long would it usually take you to do all this manually? Hours? Days? With Copilot, it's minutes. Are we looking at the end of the data analyst role here? Let's talk about that in the comments. But hold up, we're just getting started. Python and Excel. Yeah, that's right. Python, one of the most powerful programming languages out there, is now at your disposal, even if you don't know how to code. Microsoft has just made advanced data analysis accessible to everyone, not just the data nerds. Copilot will literally write and execute Python code for you. Imagine planning your company's revenue forecast. What used to take hours or even days now takes minutes. It opens a new workspace where you can run complex models, and even better, it doesn't mess with your original data. You can ask it to forecast revenue for the next 2 years, and it just does it automatically, efficiently, perfectly. So here's the real question. Do we even need data scientists anymore, or are we all going to be mini data scientists with Copilot? Let me know your thoughts, because this is where things get controversial. Now let's switch gears for a second. PowerPoint. You're staring at a blank slide, a presentation due in an hour, and you've got nothing. Here's where Copilot in PowerPoint changes the game. You type in a few details about your pitch, and bam, Copilot drafts an entire slide deck for you. Titles, speaker notes, images, all aligned with your company's branding. It even creates visuals on the spot using AI-generated images. It's PowerPoint on steroids. And you know what's crazy? You can tweak the slides in seconds. Want to add an image? Just tell Copilot what you're looking for, and it pulls from your company's library or creates something new on the fly. No more staring at a blank slide ever again. Emails? Yeah, we're all buried under them. But Copilot in Outlook, this is the real inbox zero. It sorts your emails based on priority, using context from your job and your team, so you only see what actually matters. It even drafts replies for you, and you can tweak the tone to make it more formal or casual depending on who you're responding to. It's like having an assistant that knows exactly how you want things done. But here's the kicker. Teams just got a turbo boost. You know how you leave a meeting thinking you might have missed something important? Copilot's got you covered. It transcribes the entire meeting, pulls out key points, and even highlights questions or ideas you might have missed in the chat. No more going back and watching long recordings or scrolling through chat history. You've got everything you need to follow up right there. And if you think that's cool, check this out. OneDrive. You've got 2 documents with similar names and you can't remember which one's the latest. With Copilot, you just ask it to compare them, and in seconds, it gives you a detailed summary of the differences. It's like magic for file management. If you've ever wasted time searching through old files, this is going to be your new favorite feature. Okay, brace yourselves for this one. Copilot agents. These agents don't just answer your questions, they do your work. Think about it. You're a field technician and you're troubleshooting an issue you've never seen before. Instead of going back and forth through manuals, you ask your Copilot agent and it pulls the exact steps from your company's knowledge base. Anyone can create these agents now. You don't need to be a developer. You just describe what you want it to do, connect it to your systems, and it's ready to go. So here's the big controversial question. Are we going to see a world where these AI agents replace people, or will they just free us up to focus on bigger, more important tasks? I know people are on both sides of this, and I want to hear from you. Drop your take in the comments below. So what do you think? Are these features as insane as I'm making them out to be? Or is this just another tech buzzword? I personally think this is the future, and those who get in early are going to benefit massively. Let me know if you're already using any of these Copilot features, and drop your tips in the comments for everyone else to learn from. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI-driven content. This is AI with Absaar, and I'll see you in the next one.